In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Chrome's tab crashing or freezing. So how you're going to do is fix this, I'll show you. So if you open up your Chrome here, okay, so first thing what you can do is if you have like too many tabs or extensions there, try to eliminate it, get rid of it. So if you have many tabs here, close each tabs and then go to the extensions tab here and then just disable all the extensions here, especially the ones that you don't need much. Just try to close it and see if that fixes up the issue, because sometimes your browser it's get too crowded. Okay, and then once that's done, then what you can do, you can close your browser and restart your browser. Okay, so you just click on close it and restart your browser. If you're unable to close it, if it's stuck, you can go to your task manager, search for task manager in your search bar. Okay, go for task manager and then look for Google Chrome here. So look for Google Chrome here and then select Google Chrome and click on end task. Okay, select the Chrome and then hit on end task to close it. So in that way you'll be able to close it. Once you close it, then restart the Chrome, and you can also restart your computer as well. That will also help. You can try to do that. And then what you can do, you can go, once you open your Chrome here, go to the three dots on your top right and go to the settings option here. Click on settings, and then once you go to settings here on your left side menu here, scroll all the way down and you will see an about option. Click on the about option and see if there's an update for your Chrome. If there's an update, just update your Chrome, and also as update your Chrome, so that might help you to fix up the issue as well. And also if you go to on your settings here on the same page here, on the settings tab, click on these system option here, click on the system option, and if you use this graphics acceleration, the hardware acceleration, just try to disable it. So click on this switch and then disable it, and then see if that fixes up the issue. And also check if your computer has any virus or software. So you just open up your antivirus software, whatever you're using, try to scan and see if there is any malware or any conflicting software. In that case, you can, if you get rid of them, then that will help you to fix up the issue. Okay, and also go to your settings on your Chrome here and then click on this privacy and security option here, and then what you can do, you can click on this browsing data, delete browsing data, so you can like clear your browsing data and reset it. So click on clear browsing data and then you can simply delete this data, your browsing history and everything. You can simply like clear your caches and history. Okay, and once that's done, you can also, what you can do, go to your this option here, your reset. So on your left side here you have this reset option here. Click on the reset settings option and then click on restore settings to restore it to your default settings, because this might help you get rid of any misconfigured settings that's been causing the issue. Okay, click on it and get rid of it. And finally, if it's still having issue, you can also try to just delete the Chrome. So you can simply go to your apps on your computer and then uninstall Chrome and then reinstall it, and that should most probably fix up the issue. Apart from that, if you're still having the issue, then there might be a hardware issue like RAM, so you can just take it to the nearest center and then test for any hardware issues, and that's basically pretty much it is.